Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. This is supposed to be Saturday. I'm recording on Wednesday, I believe. So I don't know how much longer this video will be. I really thought I'm not going to have any video because I've recorded lots yesterday in one day. But I pick very pretty diamonds to work with you. And if we can get at least half an hour, then that would be fine. I will use some cheap pen I have in here in this kit already, so that's what I'm going to use, and I will show you in a minute what kind design we will work on. It's designed as pretty mushrooms from coodeals. Not sure if we're going to have time to flip design or not, so just for in case I will show you from both sides. No idea how this video will be, but let's get some working done in here. My husband on the way to pick me up because I was at home for one day just to record all the videos, and now I have to go back up there. My son coming home, so we kind of exchanging fun. He's coming home, I'm going back to my campground. All right, let's see what we can do with this prettiness in here. This is where we're going to place, and I'm thinking in the checkerboard. Oh, see already. Well, okay, it's already coming out. Yeah, AB diamonds not good for that. Okay, let me try one more time. I'm going to maybe push this wax a little bit further away, see if that will work. If not, I might have to pick different diamonds because I don't know where I put my tweezer. Let's just see. Okay, hopefully this will work now. Okay, puppy, just please don't bark because I have no time to mute, and not sure. He say he's gonna come pick me up in half an hour, so in half an hour he could be leaving, or half an hour will be here, so I'm not sure. I just want this video get to my channel, upload, and then editing I can do on my cell phone later in YouTube Studio program at the campground. You know, I'm trying to keep you as busy as possible all week, so we need lots of videos. Today I'm taking with me to the campground my metal detector, and I will teach my neighbor how to metal detect. Because I was here with my dogs at home, Catherine at home as well, but I think they missing my husband. They kind of looking, waiting for him to show up. When I took them outside this morning, they wake me up at 5:30. And I didn't know what time that was. I look in the window, it's nice and bright. So I get up and took them in the backyard. And Buddy, like, yeah, he went pee, and they just laying down on the grass. I was like, Buddy, go play, go do something. No, just laying on the grass. So I wonder if he's always like this first in the morning or just for me, because he upset that his daddy wasn't here. I don't know. Okay, my friends, so by the way, talking about diamond paintings in here, I do have a discount code of 15%. So link is under my video in the description box. It's always there. If you're planning to order, these canvases are very nice with the it's a velvet canvases kind of fabric, not a cheap plastic, very good layer of glue. It is kind of pleasure to work on. And this design, I did not do in diamonds on this one for a long time, I have to say, because I was trying to finish my other one chick, which is laying next to me. I did not do any work on that for a while because I was busy to kind of reviewing, and well, we're very busy with my cross stitch. I do take with me today, well, obviously not today as you watch on Saturday. Today for me is Wednesday, and I will be at the campground Sunday. So I'm taking with me also the Ambilight. I want to finish up there a whole bunch of threads. And also I'm taking with me, I think, my stocking. Yeah, my stocking. I want to stitch a little bit more up there to get some progress for the months. And last night I finally started to work on my beaded penny, and I stitched 2 rows. So now 15, I mean, oh my goodness, my math, 18 to go. So I'm just happy that I managed to do 2, because all day recorded yesterday was 5 videos I uploaded to my channel, and to be honest, that's kind of like mentally tiring, or maybe even physically, I don't know, because when I was stitching it was already midnight and I was extremely tired. Usually I could stay longer, much longer, and I wanted to stay, even like I wanted to try if I could stay all night, but no way, no way I could do that. I was exhausted way before that. But now let me try to a little bit readjust. Is it going to be better or not? Kind of more straight. No, not sure if this is going to be better or not. But you can see already shine from the window. Look at, I have different colors shine. Look at the glue in here. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, very pretty. And that's a good chunk of AB in here. It's going to be very, very sparkle. My cat is meowing now downstairs, but I am not going to start my video now. He needs to wait. We are ready in 8 minutes. Should we try to fill in the checkerboard now, maybe, so we can have like a full. Okay, let's try. Oh, my battery, no, don't tell me my battery died. Oh, I thought I changed the battery last night. Maybe I did. Oh. I was hoping to get video at least for 20 minutes. What I will do now? Will I have to do editing at home? Tell my husband to wait? Or maybe I will have a time. I don't know. Did not expect my battery go dead on me. We're gonna make him wait, right, till my video uploaded. because my wax need to be refilled, or it's already non-sticky from this foil on the top of the diamonds. Okay, let's wiggle a little bit. Now when it's more diamonds up there, it's pretty. Excuse me. Get more fresh wax. Oh, pull out diamond together. I know I have the white pen that's supposed to be, let's see, wax stuck. That's supposed to be better for AB diamonds, but I don't want to get up and look right now. Keep losing the pieces of wax. Oh, it's a tricky. Okay, I don't really like it. The wax keep coming out. I would have to like brush it off later, maybe my diamonds with a soft brush to get the wax out. See, when I push harder, I can see that. Oh, yeah. Okay, I will fill later. See, because in a checkerboard I have to push them harder, so I will do that later. Let's do what's easy to do right now, so I don't have to press it too much. Maybe later I will use tweezers or the white pen for the AB diamonds. Be in 12 minutes. Maybe just for in case if my video cut short, probably that's what's going to be link of the video for today. And I'm sorry for a short one, but I just didn't have any power yesterday to record any other video. Okay, let's see if I can place a few more in here. I even thought maybe I will try to record on my cell phone. I did not record any video on my cell phone for like many years. I will try it maybe and upload straight from my cell phone to my YouTube channel if I manage to record. Okay. Just for in case you will have this short video. Okay, I try to do checkerboard, then I come back trying to fill more. Sometimes I think it's not even wax, it's a reflection of the color of the AB, and I think it's a wax. It's a not in here, definitely I have a wax stuck. No, my husband now home. I'm sorry, it's going to be very short video as it is. Love you all. Will be longer next time.